Now, this is how you can put a flip clock on your Mac. So let me show it to you how it works. So first, we're going to get to the Safari browser or any internet browser. And in there, we need to look up the flip clock for Mac. And obviously, there are more apps which can get the job done, like you have the one on the App Store officially, but the most commonly used one is this one called Fliqlo, whatever you want to pronounce it. And you can get inside like this, and this is what it's going to look like on your devices. We are interested in the Mac. Right, so this is looking really nice. And what you need to do is to essentially click the three lines right there and essentially download it for the Mac. So you have it available for Windows, but also for Mac. You can see it's freely available. So click on a download like this, close and add if there's one. And now, as you can see, there is a new download. So there is a new thing which has been downloaded, the DMG installation file. So you have to double click on it like this and make it show up. So we're gonna minimize the browser, and this is the thing we need to focus on. So we have like a little tutorial and this page, but we are interested in the installation file, which we need to double click on, and you're gonna get it to the settings. I currently had it like installed before, but so it is asking me to replace it, but you will see the install button in here. So I'm gonna click on replace, and essentially you're gonna get to the wallpaper section. And there you essentially change this screensaver. So click on a screensaver like this. For me, it is set to the Fliqlo already, but if it was set to automatic like this one, just click on custom, and from those scroll through and find the Fliqlo in the selection. So it's likely going to be part of the other and all the way on the right in there. So as you can see, I have the Fliqlo in there. I need to click on a done, and then now it is going to be the screensaver selected for my device. So that's how you can use it. Now, all you have to do is to decide when it's going to start, because for me, it is set to never. So, I wouldn't really be able to see it right now. So you can click on after 3 hours or after 1 minute or all of the options in between. But at the end of the day, that's how you're going to do this. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.